Thank you, thank you. That's 2 down, 3 down. Move up to me. I'm gonna call a double kill. I did not feel, but I heard something right here. Okay. That's a trade, man. Good shot. Yeah, good. And then I got nailed anyway. Good shot. Having a much better experience here.
That was a good push.
Thank you. Well, at least I didn't get friendly fired or rainfalled on. Good job. Hi, Oscar sama.
I'm not even thinking. I'm not even thinking.
Fun, fast-paced games, y'all.
Good game, yo.
Hey, great game, y'all.
Have a good one, man.
Hey, both teams did really, really well. Yeah. Great pushing on both sides. Mag out, sir. Mag out. Dry fire twice to clear the chamber. Magazine's out, barrel plugs on, dry fire twice. Good job. Good job. Great job, y'all.
Yeah. Nice kill.
Hey, great. Hey, y'all too, man. Good on y'all for getting the kids out early. It's really good. It's a fun game, teamwork, a lot of exercise. I remember when my kids were that small.
I can't wait till my little one comes
Actually,
out.
not that small, but but in the neighborhood. Thanks, Rev.
Absolutely. All right, bring it in. Bring it in, bring it in. Bring it in.
You have to keep filling up the mag?
Yeah, it keeps on leaking, so I have to like temporarily.
It might be your O-ring.
There's no O-ring. It's not mine. So, see how there's no
so
O-ring?
there's a ring on the inside of this?
Yeah, there's no O-ring, right?
Yeah.
So I have to like fill it up before I like go in, and then like I'm scared because sometimes it just drops.
All right. We would like to try and challenge the 3 of you versus 1.
Okay.
The way we're going to do this is single elimination, but it's hospital only.
Okay, so it's like all CQ.
Huh?
Okay, so it's all CQ. Is this? Oh, it!